when we're saying, let me be sealed for the book of life, Hashem had already decided in 10 days, a terrible thing is going to happen. And Aner is going to get killed, and so are 1,200 other people. And Hirsch is going to be stolen, and he's going to live for 328 days. And he is not going to be here next Rosh Hashanah. For a while, I would think to myself, why didn't Hirsch just get killed on October 7th? And I actually realized there was a gift in that I was able to fight for his life. Often people will say to me, where do you find this faith? It's not faith. It's like someone saying, you're wearing a black skirt. I don't have faith you're wearing a black skirt, I can see it. So for me, it's very obvious that Hashem is in charge and that there is a rhyme to this reason, even though I am not privileged to know it. When we say Avinu Malkeinu, we say Avinu before Malkeinu. Hashem is filled with mercy when we're broken and when we're crying and when we're experiencing suffering and pain. There's also tremendous potential that light is ahead and that we must go toward that light. Thank you.
You did great.
Thank you.